guys, I'm back again with one bit magnitude comparator. Let's go to file and open a new project and let's name it comparator and press OK. Hierarchical block, comparator schematic 1, page 1. So I will have to go to this. Let's remove it fast without taking much of your time. Once this is done, we know that we have two inputs which we have to compare to with one bit comparison. When we say one bit, we actually have to compare all the samples like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the four options we have to compare with each other, which covers 0, 1, 0 and 1 being compared, or 0 and 0 being compared in all the possible combinations like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, but the outputs would be A greater than B. That means I input 1 greater than I input 2, equal to also, and less than also. We have three outputs. If we consider the first one as in 1 greater than in 2, we have to place two more outputs. We will press in the middle, H will be highlighted, we will give it name out1, so that we remember the sequence. We will place two outputs over here and we are done. So I need wires actually for the out, so I will place them. Make sure you press in the end or at the end, otherwise it will keep moving. Then you have to place inputs. There will be two inputs here. Go to source, switch clock, OK, and place like these two inputs here. Right? I would again suggest to change off time of any one of these. I'm changing it to like 0.4 microseconds this time. Okay, this is done. I can minimize this and go back to the circuit part, page 1, schematic 2, which gives me the circuit. Now input is already there, two inputs are already there. I have to change the output, add the output actually. Pin, I will go to pin and I will place output here. I need two more outputs and I need to rename them out1 and out2. Okay. Once this is done, now you can place the circuit. We know the equations for A greater than B. It is A B bar. A B bar means you need one AND gate. Again, for A less than B, it is A bar B. So I need one more AND gate. And A equal to B has A XNOR B. So I need XOR gate. So you can note down the equation. The first is A greater than B. So I am using two AND gates here. So eval, and I will press 7408, which is AND gate, and I will press OK. And like this, I need two AND gates actually, one for A greater than B and one for A less than B. Okay, and for other like A equal to B, I need an XOR gate. So 7486 I will press and I will place it here, XOR gate, but I need a NOT gate because the equation is XNOR. For A equal to B, it is XNOR. So I need a NOT gate. So I will press 7404, place it here. Now this completes my XNOR. This is same as XNOR. XOR, then NOT gate is XNOR. Now, yes, I need more NOT gates. I forgot. I need more NOT gates. So I will press it OK, and then I will place it here and here. Okay. Make sure that all the gates, they are not touching with each other. Otherwise, it will create problem. Now here you can see I have to connect this first output, and then I have to connect this with the NOT gate and connect it with the second output. This gives me A equal to B, and this last one will give me A less than B equation. So I have to make accordingly. The first one, I have to connect these also properly. I have not done it again. I will have to do one thing here. I can place it like little closer so that I don't have to place a wire. That's right. So okay, now after this, you have to we have to connect the inputs for A equal to A less than B. For A less than B, we know that it is A bar B. So A bar B means this one. The first one is bar. So I will have to connect this uh, first input. If we consider I in 1 as A and I in 2 as B, two inputs, in that case I will be going down with this, because if I am considering the last one as A bar B as input, B I will get from this side. B is the other input actually. Don't get confused if I call it A and B, because A and B is quite simpler to understand. It will be very difficult for me to call it I in 1, I in 2 again and again. So it is actually I in bar 1 bar, I in 2. So this makes out 2 equal to A less than B. For out equal to A greater than B, you have to give A B bar. So A B bar will come like this. A B bar is like A, like this. This is in one direct. Into I have to give through NOT gate. So I will be giving like this. It completes my circuit. Now next is this XOR gate, which I have used for A equal to B, and for that you have to give directly AB. So I can take IN2, that means which I am calling as B, directly from here and give it to this, and I can give like this is IN1 or A, which I am calling. So I can give it from here. See, this connection is done. So all the circuit is complete. Now I can go back to hierarchical block and go to PSpice, as we already know how to do it now. PSpice, new simulation profile. Uh, See, you can check my previous YouTube videos for any confusion of how to use this OrCAD software. Simulation settings, I will have to change 10 microseconds. Okay, and then finally we can place voltage markers at input as well as output, here, here and here. Okay, done. And in the end we have to press run and see the results are here. This is the result of a comparator. You can see for 1 1, because A equal to B should be like 1, so it is coming here. The second in output is 1. For 0 0, it should be again 1, so again A equal to B, the second out 1 is 1. Similarly, for like 0 1, we know that it is A less than B, or input 1 less than input 2. So in that case, the last one should be 1, and it is actually taking place. So this is working fine. Check the output. So this is working fine. So I'm done with this. So thank you so much. And if you have any doubts or suggestions or anything which comes to your mind regarding this, please let me know through the comment section.